Hi, Agronia. So I'm just going to show you quickly what I mean about the book creator. I hope this helps. So I'm in my GRHB account and I'm coming up here to my apps tray. Okay, and on my apps tray, I can see the book creator. So I can click on that. So if you can't see that in your apps tray, just open the book creator on a new tab. So then you sign up once or sign in. So I signed in with my GRHB account and I set myself up as a teacher. Okay, and I get straight into this. All right, so I can look at the books that we've already created. We're just doing these in classes, tests, and whatever. And then you can see the one that I did and all sorts of different ones. So if you want to create a new book, you just literally click on new book. It's a very simple app, not too many features, which is great. So I can either go for a blank book with landscape, but that will be a white background unless I think you pay for the subscribed version, which has an option to add colors to the background. Um, or we can use one of the templates. So this like is a bit like the GRETB colors here, okay? Or you can choose one of these themes here. And that's your lot on the free version. So that's what I was saying to you. Ask Aoife, has she got a full version? So I'm going to go for maybe landscape option. Okay, and I get a white book. And here is my cover page. So I can play it when I'm ready to play it. Information gives me the information. And I click on plus. And this is my little toolbar. And it's another WYSIWYG. So it's what you see is what you get. This is your lot on the free version. Okay, you got media, you got shapes, and you've got more. Okay, and you can add apps, but I think you have to pay for them. So I come over here to media. I can put in my GRE2B logo. I'll try and find it here. I found it a second ago. And then see if I can get it up to the there it is. Okay, so if you've got your branding ready to upload, you can upload it. But I think with the plain cover, you're going to have to go with a white background because there doesn't seem to be a red or a blue background. But if you had the branding already done on images in Canva, instead of recreating the front cover, the other thing you could do is you could add an image where you're actually pulling up the posts that you had ready on your computer. So if you need to use your branding, create in Canva and then just pull up the posts from here so that you have your GRET branding and your red background and your blue text or whatever. Like, for example, if I was going to put that one in. So you do whatever you need to do for the front cover and then you add your pages as you go along. Okay. So that's my front cover. So then page 2, would I have anything on the inside cover? I don't know. Here's page 3. So then I could come down here again to images and I can come down here and select some of my images and put them up. And these would all be pre-prepared documents as PDF or as pictures that you've downloaded from Canva or saved as a PDF using Adobe or something like that. Okay, so they would all be pre-prepared information that you're putting in there. And I did see the ad for the course there a minute ago there, so I'll put that one in. So I could actually create a book, just a simple book like this, and have it playing in our website with a post for each of the courses that we run on it. And then when I'm found, so if I want to view it at any time, I can go to pages and look at the pages here. Okay. When I'm happy that it looks so good, I can come back to here. I can go and, add shapes. I can add a text box. I can record my voice. So I can also talk. I can literally click on record and I'm going to say just allow and start recording. And then I could tell everybody a little bit more about the digital media for business traineeship, what we do, what they're going to learn for the year, and then stop recording. And then I can use it. Okay. The recording will upload in a second. Um, it's saving the recording. It's trying to upload here. It's taking a little longer than I thought it was going to do. So eventually, anyways, you'll see the recording appear as a little icon here. So people can click on the icon and listen to the recording as well. If it doesn't save in 2 seconds, I'll just move on again. So you can add as many pages to this as you want when you're ready. Okay. Once you have your pages done and everything in it, okay, still trying to do that. Then we get over here, we go back and we go to our library, and then I can send an invite code. I can click here to edit it. I can come down here and I can click on this button here and download it as an ebook. Okay, I can publish it online. I can come over here to settings and I can see what other things I want to do with it. Now, I'm not quite sure again if you have the option to run it in autopilot with the free version. We can look that up. So anyways, I hope that helps. It literally is that easy to create an ebook. Okay.